For this adventure, I took a chance on a weird west swell to go to a spot that nobody really cares about. Getting away from the crowds was a fun way to get into some exciting waves. This underdeveloped stretch of beach is locally known as a nursery for juvenile great white sharks, and the frequent sightings seem to keep out most of the crowds. That and difficult access to the beach, having to climb up and down cliffs just to get there, makes most leisurely beach activities not worth the trip, but occasionally it does get some good swell and makes for some fun waves. It's a little terrifying surfing places like this completely alone, about a mile or so away from the closest human. But once I got over the fear, it turned into a pretty therapeutic, fun experience, and the surf session was on. Finding some dolphins at this notoriously sharky spot was a bit of a relief. Paired with the occasional really good set, I had no problem staying out in the water. Trading the crowd factor for some solo time out in nature was absolutely incredible and made for a super fun way to spend the morning. After a quick hike to the car, it was time for another celebratory peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Totally stoked that I didn't become a sandwich myself or one of the great whites that hang out in the area. Surfing alone's a little sketchy, and always make sure that there's someone who knows where to find you. Every surf trip is an adventure.